Hi, in today's discussion, I'm going to show you how to put the search bar in your WordPress website. Here is our WordPress admin panel interface. In my case of theme, I have this option in the theme customization portion. So I have to click customize. Here you will see different options. You can edit directly from here, or you can go in widgets area and can add this search wizard. Now I have two things here. Let me remove search. Now I'm going to add another search bar here. Just click here, and I'm using an Elementor, so I have to add an element here, search. You can see a search icon here. Just click it. Now you will find another search bar in your website. Just publish it. You can refresh it. Here you will find a search bar. So that is the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this. Keep watching the next one.